YouTube, what is up? I'm back here again with another vlog. You know what I'm saying? But today what we got planned, I believe, is I'm gonna hit up my cousin Daniel right now. We're gonna go to I believe Walmart. We're gonna go to Walmart and we're gonna go to AutoZone, and I think he's gonna buy some like oil changing supplies. So we're gonna hit up that, and yeah, let's see. I'm gonna hit y'all up over there at his house. Look at this sexy beast!
Oh, hurry up!
Ya llegamos a la Walmart. Look at them flowers. Qué bonitas. Hey. Yeah, but I told you we could price match. Are you gonna get the oil filter? Hey sir, as you can see, it says lane closed.
Yeah, I can pop that back in place. I got a cast in my hand.
Ya nos vamos.
Hey, you see a lot, you talk a lot. Yeah, we heard a lot, you're not certified.
Hey.
You don't work a lot, you're not down the ride.
Hey.
I heard your catalog, that shit trash. You speed through the
Bro, I ain't trying to go back to work. Oh yeah guys, so for those that don't know, I work at AutoZone. Get that discount. Pásale, mijo.
You think it'll hit?
No.
Yeah, well.
Oh, maybe. Oh! Hold up. Go? Yeah. Yeah, go back. Yeah, that hits, bro. Hold on. It went down. The grass is too. Ah. So we got it, but you know it's some pretty sketch. But you know he say he's going with this, so A ver lo que pasa. But we got it up. We got it up. We got it up.
Righty tighty.
How do you know? Too big? Hey, look, maybe it's this one. Try it.
Dude, go find the right size.
What size is it?
5'8".
Dude, I don't know your tools, dude. Oh, wow. Oh, dude, those were the days, dude. Is it really stuck?
No, dude, I'm just playing around here for fun.
Te va a tocar manejar con él. He's gonna have to drive it through the socket on. I'm just playing Minecraft, bro. Está poniendo la gorra sucia. Válgame Dios. Now I'm gonna get stuck this.
It's cause look, like this is like the.
Oh,
pipe.
you need a thinner one?
This is when I try taking it out, it hits the pipe.
So what do you want? A skinny one?
Of these.
On it! Oh. Ahora sí. We're in business. Oh. Hey, fix it! Look where you have your oil pen at.
What?
This is gonna hit the grass like.
Where? What do you mean?
It shoots out.
I know.
Dang.
I should.
We're about to get.
Hey, come on, Scoop.
Ah, the air!
Imagine TV. I think I got oil in my eye. Remember thinking that was happening to him? Look at that pin right there.
I'm blocking
Bro,
it.
it's coming in my eyes and stuff.
Dude, I'm blocking it. What thing? Yeah, I'm blocking the tire.
Where it's coming from?
Well, I don't feel anything now. Pull the bitch out. Ya que salga bonito.
For? Oh my god.
I covered the wind. See, and now it's gonna go through the wheel. No te enojes. Beast. Despacio.
Kind of looks like syrup.
It does.
I want some pancakes.
Bro, we're doing an oil change. Come on.
Doesn't work on this thing. All of it? I didn't tire ball.
What do you have to say about this oil change, sir? It's been great, you know, helping out my cousin, changing his oil.
He didn't help at all. It was on me. Really, I knew what I was doing from the start.
Psych!
Anything he got in the way.
Oh, you're right. I was about to end it, guys, but we still gotta get it off these ramps. Yeah, you're good? Finish that oil change. Alright, go! Yeah, you're good. Woo! Mission accomplished. Alright guys, oil change was a success. Nah, you have to get in it. Get in it. I'll record it. Hey, bro, what do you got to say to the 50 loyal subscribers about the oil change?
You guys just clearly have no lives if you're watching his vlog.
Shut up.
They're no good.
It's been a pleasure. Hope you guys enjoyed this oil change. I'll see you on the next one. Ah! No! Oh!
What? There? What up, bro? Why would you throw it? Get down.
Dude. Oh.
Going up in the